What's up guys, Fury Fighter 101 here, and today in this video I'm gonna advertise a server for all you people that would like to play multiplayer servers in Minecraft. So yeah, I forgot the server name, but I'll leave it in the description below. But for now, I just want to show you my island. So this is my stuff. I basically just started, and yeah, so let me just show spawn points for all of you. Oh, and here is the owner. If you press tab, then you can see he's at the bottom of them all. And yes, and he was also talking to me and asking me if I could advertise the server for him because he knows I'm a YouTuber. Okay, so he asked me to advertise it so that more people can come play. So please, guys, just come play this and protein crates. Wait, what the heck? Okay, yes, and over here we've got shop, and this is the whole shop, and get stairs up there too. And yes, and this is only Skyblock, but there's lots of other servers on this server that I haven't tried yet. So yes, oh wow, it's slow. But yes, thank you everybody for watching this video. It was a very short video, but I just wanted to advertise it. So bye.